Hello everyone, my name is Omobolaji. Let me show us how to reserve a name. That is name reservation. We click on new reservation on the dashboard. Then if it is business name, we're going to pick business name. If it is company, we'll pick company. Then we are going to go to the business type. If it's sole proprietorship or partnership, but in this case it's sole proprietorship. So you are going to input the name of the client. You can also use this site to search. So if you put the name, if the name is available, you can tell the client to go ahead and make payment. If it's not available, it will show it has been taken. But in this case, this person gave us this name, so we are going to pick the category of the business name. We are going to pick order if it's not in that option. So this person is into electrical electronics, so we are going to look for it. We are going to search for that electrical electronic. Then once we pick it, we'll go and check the availability. It's checking right away. We are going to check it. Yes, the name is available, so we are going to continue to make payment for reservation. Continue to make payment. You see this RRI, that's the remitter number. You have to copy and save it somewhere in case you have issue with your payment. You will use it to retrieve it. So you are going to click on remitter. It will take you straight to this remitter dashboard where you are going to click any option. Where we are using bank transfer, copy the account number and go and make payment. Then once you make payment, you click I've sent the money, then it will clear it. Payment successful, and it's going to give us the availability code so that we can continue the registration. See, that is it. So in our next video, we are going to go into the registration proper. Thanks for watching.